Alright guys, so David here, and in this demo video I'm gonna walk you through the incredible power of Dropshiply 2.0, the amazing features, and I'm gonna show you exactly what you can do with this amazing app. Okay, this is a completely brand new app. We have completely rebuilt it entirely from scratch, and as you can see we have implemented a ton of new features here and improvements, and I'm gonna walk you through it very fast. Okay, I want to show you the new additions and everything new we have added. Okay, so here's the main dashboard. As you can see right here, you'll be able to see all the information about your stores, your orders, products, and also the revenue. Okay, and also all the marketplaces and channels that you have connected. Like for example, if you have a WordPress Shopify store, you can connect it right here. If you are dropshipping from CJ, you can see your store right here. Okay, and if you scroll down, okay, you can see a bunch of other data, okay, like your earnings performance, site analytics, and also, you know, a ton of other information. Okay, everything will be displayed right here. Now moving on, we have marketplace, and now this one is probably one of the most amazing things that we built inside Dropshiply 2.0. okay, this previously used to be our app store. Now we have made it much more complex and bigger. Okay, so it's going to give you access to a ton of different apps and themes for your stores that you can use to grow it dramatically. Okay, you can see a ton of different categories right here on the left. Okay, we have apps in any niche and category, really. Okay, like and also professionally designed themes. If you need, you'll be able to pick everything right here. Okay, and then of course, if you have later on, I will show you in channels that if you have a Shopify or WordPress WooCommerce store, you would just add it here. Okay, I mean, first you have to install, get the right, you know, plugin, you add it, and then you'll be able in channels right here to add your stores. Okay, your stores will show up right here. So if you have a Shopify store, you will see it here in this tab right here. It's connected, and then WordPress as well, and CJ. Okay, because we have CJ, you can dropship from CJ if you want. Okay, and then of course, yeah, everything will be displayed right here. Now products, this is where you will see all your products displayed that you have imported into your store. Okay, so all products, just click that one and you will see everything displayed right here. Okay, if the products are not added, you'll be able to do it right here. Okay, product sourcing, you can import. This is where you'll source products from different places. Okay, so we still have AliExpress, okay, which is gigantic. Okay, it's an amazing source, but you don't need to dropship from China if you don't want to. Okay, because as I said, we also have a new addition like CJ, which is pretty good, and we're gonna be adding also many US suppliers as well. Okay, and as you can see right here, there's a ton of different products from CJ that you can import to your store. Okay, now orders, moving on, this is your order manager where you will see all your orders displayed. Okay, everything that's going through, that's happening in your store. Okay, if people are buying products, you will see them right here. Okay, and you can also fulfill products right here by clicking that. You can also view orders. You just click on view order and you will be able to see everything related to your order right here. Okay, which I think it's really cool. Now moving on, transactions, this is where all your transactions will be. Okay, it's kind of like a transaction manager. Okay, where you'll be able to see all the transactions. Okay, completed, pending, canceled, you know, all of that will be displayed right here. Now appearance, I'm gonna go through the demo really quickly, guys, because otherwise it would take me hours to go through each and every feature. And then of course appearance, this is where once your store is created, basically this is where you will fix all the appearance of your store. Like for example, themes. Okay, if you click that, you will be able to pick a theme for your store. Okay, now we have some free themes. The majority are free, and then we also have paid themes, okay, which I think are really cool. Okay, and if you want something more fancier, you can get it right here. Okay, but you don't need to pay for a theme right now. Okay, you can just start with a free theme. Okay, then later on, as your business, your store grows, then you can eventually, you know, buy for a theme, no problem. Now, yeah, of course, there's appearance has a ton of different things that you can do. Like for example, you can set the menu structure. Okay, right here you can decide what you want to do, okay, for your store. and also right here, pages. You'll be able to set all the pages on your store, okay? The legal pages, privacy policy terms, the return policy, shipping and delivery, payment methods, okay? All will be displayed right here, okay? You can set it here. And then of course we have also, you can set also the SEO settings for your store and a bunch of other stuff. Now settings, shop settings, it's where you'll create your actual store, okay? It's a simple step-by-step process. You will go here, you will input all your details about your store, okay? A description for your store, the name of your store, okay? A notification and reply to email. If you need customers, you know, to send you emails, you can give them this address, okay? And then other things, you can also set the location of your store, all the details of your company, PWA settings, okay, right here. Additional CSS, this is for developers, okay? If you want to add something to your store, you can do it here. And theme, logo, and favicon and social, you will add you know, your logo right here, the theme color and everything, okay? Now we also have the payment methods, okay, options. So you will set the payments, okay, the gateways that you want for your store, okay? For example, PayPal and Stripe, for sure, these are the most important ones, but we have like 10 plus, 15 plus different payment gateways that you can choose from, okay? You will need to set them into the marketplace first, okay? So you go there, okay, let me show you quickly. You click on payment gateways, okay, right here, payment gateways, as you can see, and you will enable the one that you need, okay? We have all of this, so just pick the ones that you want to use, okay? And then of course we have a ton of other things, like for example pricing rules to set for your store. And then also we have a ton of other things like customers. This is your customer manager, where you'll be able to manage all your customers right here. If you want to check who bought what, you can check it right here, okay? Now also we have all the shipping details right here, and analytics and marketing. This is for the GTM tracking tools, okay? So if you want to implement pixels, Facebook pixels, Google Analytics codes, you know, GTM tracking tools, or also integrate WhatsApp, you can do it right here, okay? Again, you have to enable the apps in Marketplace first, okay? And then they will display it here, okay? The analytics apps will display it right here, okay? So this is pretty much it, okay? I wanted to go through it very quickly, but this is a powerful app, guys. You won't be disappointed by jumping on board, I'm telling you, because and plus we are going to create and expand on this platform, you know, exponentially in the future. So once you join, you will be pretty much with us for life, okay? You'll be getting a lot of updates and new improvements as we move on, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on board. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.